Starting a fitness routine can be daunting, especially if you're new to exercising. However, with the right approach, it can be both enjoyable and highly effective. This ultimate full-body workout is designed with beginners in mind, offering a balanced routine that targets all major muscle groups to build strength, improve endurance, and set you on the path to a healthier lifestyle. To kick things off, it's essential to prepare your body for exercise. Begin with a warm-up to gradually increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Spend about 5 minutes on light cardio, such as brisk walking or jogging in place. Follow this with dynamic stretches. Think arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These movements help reduce the risk of injury by ensuring that your muscles and joints are ready for the workout ahead. Once you're warmed up, move on to the core of the workout. Start with bodyweight squats, a fundamental exercise that engages your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your toes. Aim for 3 sets of 12, 15 repetitions. This exercise builds lower body strength and improves overall stability. Next, incorporate push-ups into your routine. Push-ups are fantastic for working the chest, shoulders, and triceps. If a standard push-up is too challenging at first, don't hesitate to perform them on your knees. Complete 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Focus on maintaining proper form to maximize the effectiveness of this exercise and prevent strain. For a balanced workout, add dumbbell rows to target your back and biceps. With a pair of dumbbells in hand, bend forward at the hips, keeping your back flat. Pull the dumbbells towards your waist, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Perform 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. This exercise not only strengthens your back, but also helps improve posture. Lunges are another key component of this workout. They are excellent for enhancing lower body strength and coordination. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees form right angles. Alternate legs and complete 3 sets of 10, 12 reps per leg. This movement challenges your balance and engages your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Strengthening your core is crucial, so include planks in your routine. Position yourself on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles and hold the position for 20, 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. This exercise builds core strength and stability, which is essential for overall fitness. Finish your workout with bicycle crunches to target your abdominal muscles. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and your hands behind your head. Alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee in a pedaling motion. Complete 3 sets of 15, 20 reps per side. This exercise effectively works the entire core, enhancing both strength and endurance. After completing the workout, don't forget to cool down. A proper cool down helps your body transition back to its resting state and can reduce muscle soreness. Spend about 5 minutes performing static stretches, focusing on the muscles you've worked. Hold each stretch for 20, 30 seconds, breathing deeply to aid in relaxation and recovery. Incorporating this full-body workout into your routine too, 3 times per week can lead to significant improvements in your fitness level. Remember to stay consistent, listen to your body, and stay hydrated. Each step you take in your fitness journey brings you closer to your goals. So embrace the process and enjoy the progress you make along the way.